Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasmi pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kublay phi baro kinigilong ki khubor bam da kasmi. Hagajinya linti ka basa akin mau bat ban kantiu ka kam jingo kai bat ka sports Myntri Rangbah ka Meghalaya. U Conrad ki sang mau la Plie pat ba menta kasmi ya ka Meghalinor ka Yacht Shwa jong ka Jylla ha Umiam le. Hagani ka jingelang ladon ringkat Myntri katnat jungo kai uba polling do u commissioner bat secretary katnat jungo kai u Vijay Kumar bat u director katnat jungo kai u CV ding do. Hagajing ekran jung u Myntri Rangbah ulaong ba kani ka jing Plie pat ba ka Meghalinor ka don ka jing mut ka bakerpang namar ba ka penyes no lang artli kiliang tiba kongsan jong ka sorkar. Kata ka tourism bat ka sports ulaong ru. Haginu kinu ki benta ka tourism ne ka sports ni don ki thong ki jingtmu ba ka jingyo ijngai ban ai kalat kamai jakpo bat kamai ka ji da ka babu iki samla ha ka shong pedeng jong ka jingya lenti jong ki. Kani ka sngi ka pin ishay kani ka jingis no lang. Ula benrap ru bahadu san po pesen ki pai ba ka Meghalaya ki dikibriu ki bahapo arpos nem karta bat ka sorkar ka ban penkre ba na ka benta kani ka kinhun. Ngihap banbu yaki nongrim bas ban ailat yaki banyo upat ba babun kam bat bonlat hagis nem banwan ulaong. Myntri Rangbah ula keduru baka Umiam le kampat poi shinu kala ban poi ba ka sorkar kala zdang ban pentri kam shibun ki rokam kentiu. Kum ka water sports bat ka sailing hagate ka jaka. Kentup ru ka jingpin bhai yaki jingtei bat jingdan buram ulaong ru ba ka sorkar ka thmu ban kentiu yakani ka jaka shakawe ni ki resort ba bhatam hathan chatei lammi ngi jong kari. Kani ka jingthmu ka barit rei ka badan jingmut kan kentiu ka jing sngo bha jungi nongwan jingo kai rei kani ka deitang ka jing sedang ulaong. Haba kadau ya ka jingkong san jung ka Umiam lake kum ka jaka ailat iki kam sports ha Myntri Rangbah ulaong ba kani ka jaka ka badan kadur kentang bat ka jing yarap jong kamaryang kala ban kiu shaprang shu kum ka jaka le kai sport ha Ula ai ka jing yaro iki nong ile kai ki blawan ra nam bat buram sha ka Jylla. Ha ki national games ka bladep ha ka kayaking bat canoeing ula ben rap ru ba ka Umiam le kala ban kelalong ka center jung ki kam water sports ha ka Jylla.
You guys enjoy. Yes. And as you guys enjoy, so we are here at the launch of the Meghalinor. It's the first yacht to be commissioned here at Umiam, and this is in fact one of the initiatives by the tourism department to upscale the overall experience for the tourists who come to our state. It also has got elements of sailing in it, so therefore our youngsters and the youth also are very excited about it. And this is going to be part of a series of many other yachts and cruises that we plan to bring here to enrich the experience for the tourists who come from outside. So we're very happy, looking forward to it, and we're going to go towards the yacht now. Thank you so much. Shall we, sir? Yep. Can I sit on the side? Yes, sir. Pass me the job.